Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, today is the day we have a new box from Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Well, a new box from Grizas. Everybody gets excited in the boutique when we see this. And we can't wait for Colleen to open the boxes and start perusing. And,
we always say it's like Christmas.
Yes.
Actually, I curated this about 6 weeks ago and I picked it for two reasons: for in the middle of the summer, but also to continue on into the fall.
Yes.
To fall winter. So the pieces in here can transition through the seasons.
Yeah, which is so important because it's always that in between. The weather still can get warm. You have cool nights, you have all kinds of a whole mix, right?
Yeah.
And we're all ready for something new, something fresh.
Yes.
Right?
But you want to be able to extend it, and that's a bit of our motto is buying less is more. So
exactly.
These pieces you will see you can bring right through. But I just wanted to comment how great you look.
Yeah.
Yeah, that little cardi from Lousje is perfect over that dress.
I know.
What a great idea.
What a great idea. And
it's
gray,
so
I realized gray is a really good color for me.
It is really good actually.
You know?
Yeah.
Like navy.
Your darker hair now too. Yeah.
Navy and gray these are the colors I've discovered in the last few months.
Navy. What do you own that's navy? Or are you just saying if you've tried it on in the store?
I don't own anything.
You own any navy.
But when I put on the navy tank dress or the navy A-line tank,
it's stunning.
It's stunning.
I know. And all those navy linen pants on you.
Yeah.
It looks amazing.
So,
True.
But hello, I don't have anything navy in my closet.
No, you don't. Well, maybe that's got to change.
Ring, ding, ding.
Yeah, so Lousje's wearing the smash and test dress, which she owns herself, with the gray top.
The gray top, and then this cardi over top. It's darling.
It's darling.
And it's really light, right? Which is nice. And I love the shape of it. It's so really short, which is cute, of course. It's a little cute, feminine look.
Yeah, we don't have many of those left, ladies. Those are from a past collection, but there's just a few left in the store. It's a great combo. So, and your earrings, Anne-Marie, gorgeous.
Kept it very simple.
Yeah, beautiful.
Simple lines.
Love it.
Less is more.
Less is more.
And you?
And I'm wearing the smash and test dress in the black. So the ties that I like to leave out, Lousje ties them up. In the black, we also have a few left in the turquoise, but then jazzed it up with this beautiful scarf from Love's Pure Light with some beautiful blues. Look at me with my navies and blues.
I know.
But look at this bracelet.
I know.
This is Ayala Bar, ladies.
Oh,
gorgeous.
Exquisite.
And then just some Ziska to give a little pop of the turquoise.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Love. Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to dive into Grizas here. All right, come on.
Can't wait.
Okay, just remember, this is a very small capsule, but it's a beautiful story. And tomorrow we're gonna style it up for you ladies, so you'll have to see that. So here we go. We got the check back. And this is the Nova Blue. So this is that beautiful denim-y periwinkle-ish blue, which is gorgeous. And it is in a A-line sort of bubble dress. It's different from our balloon dress, ladies, this silhouette. I'll just stand up here. But you can see there's a lot of lines in it.
And all the lines are top stitched. So they really accentuate, like they really make it
artsy and
stand
texture,
out. And artsy. And I
texture on
think this fabric is so artsy.
It's so great.
You know?
It's beautiful. So,
this is such a classic block. In this case, blue and is it navy? No, it's black.
No, it's black. The block is black.
The block is black,
yeah.
And then there's the soft blue. Is the contrasting block, and it's just
beautiful. It feels amazing. It is 100% linen, ladies, and it's a nice weight linen, so it is gonna go through the fall winter as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But you can wear it now.
I can't wait to style this up.
Yeah, we'll style them up tomorrow for you in a winter version and then in a summer version.
Is this the same weight of linen as the black and white check skirt?
Yes, here's the black and white check skirt, ladies. I
believe we love so much.
A few left. They sold out so quickly. We had to reorder.
We had to reorder.
Yeah, and
fortunately we could with Grizas.
Well, Grizas is such a great company.
Yeah.
Speaking of ladies, we're going to do a video on Grizas on Thursday. Watch out for that. We're going to talk about about why Grizas is so dear to our hearts, why we stand behind the brand, and why we love to carry it.
And I was thinking about how long have we carried it? About 10 years?
Yeah.
Even longer.
Probably in a bit longer. We carried it at James Street. I remember we just carried a tiny little bit on James
Very
Street.
small capsule.
Yeah, and it's grown to be one of our top brands.
It's amazing.
It's so great. And you watch out Thursday. Me and Lousje will be on the couch, and we're going to talk about, you know,
we go into detail.
It's good to know the background.
And
As a small box store, a boutique store, I should say, not box, but we stand behind our brands. We care about the brands we carry. And so we want to tell you, you know, the story behind it and
exactly.
why. Okay, so we have the Nova Blue here in the check, and we have one other one. This is, look at this, is that truffle color that they did this season, which is so beautiful, in a jumper dress, ladies.
Oh,
how cool is that?
Goodness. Oh wow,
I cannot wait to put that on for you. So
this is so cool.
And a cute little slit at the back.
At the back, yeah.
But such a great jumper, got little button details here, great functional pockets, beautiful.
Well, some of you might recognize the jumper design because we had it in the black, remember?
Oh yeah, and that other totally different fabric.
Oh,
but it was
it looks so different,
beautiful.
right? In this fabric. But this is so smart from these companies where they keep the design because it's a proven design, right?
It's a winner.
It's a winner.
Yeah.
So then they bring it back in beautiful different fabric. Love.
Yes, love. And for sizing, ladies, these are very true to size.
Would
so
this be
me and Lousje are both in extra smalls in these.
Yes.
So
and
great
it goes up to double XL?
Yeah, double X, yeah.
Great.
So there's a size chart there, ladies, on the product page. But if you have any questions, of course, let us know.
I can picture doing so many things with this jumper.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
I know. It's endless. So here's the little capsule that I've put together for you lovelies. Grizas does, as you know, amazing knit sweaters, like the cutest. We did the rose one. And
the boxy top rose, right?
Yeah,
the cropped sweater.
It's just so well. It's such a great staple. So I kind of dove a bit deeper into their other knits, and I've found this gorgeous little cardi. Look at how cute that is.
It is so adorable. I can't stand it.
With the buttons. It's got 5 buttons here, and then this little slit, like this little cutout detail at the bottom.
And I love this white ribbon. Ripped hem.
Yeah, gorgeous.
You know?
So look at the little cutout.
Give it that weight.
The weight, yeah. And a little bit longer than the other one.
Yeah, but the length is perfect.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
And also the knit, ladies. This is that beautiful European knit yarn. And it's just the quality is, and that's what we love too about Grizas, the quality. The quality is pure luxury. So this now can pair over either dress, which you like, for the other kind of bubble dress, that to pair over it. Here's a picture of it, so beautiful. And then, so I have for the jumper dress, we got in.
Oh, something different.
Yeah, totally different. So this is a sort of wrap.
Yes, it's a little short hat.
You can tie it up, but for us, we like to leave it open. Very artsy look and just nice little cover over the shoulders.
Great.
And a great length there. And the same.
Look at the sleeves too.
Yeah,
right?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
And the same beautiful yarn.
Beautiful.
There's like a sheen to it. You can see the quality in it.
Yeah.
It's absolutely gorgeous. So that can go over the jumper. This is endless. This would live in my wardrobe. I wear it all year. It's 100% cotton, ladies, and so is this. So again, it's going to go right through the seasons. Now, we were a bit biased to the black. I thought black can go longer in your wardrobe. So hopefully, you know, if that resonates with you, ladies, those are great sets right there.
It's a neutral, right? Beautiful neutral.
Yeah, beautiful.
Gorgeous. Oh, my mind is twirling because I just can't think of so many. So here, do you know what I was thinking? Imagine wearing a white button-down shirt.
Oh, yeah.
And then even this over top of it with the
colors showing. Beautiful.
That is layering to the utmost best.
Yeah. And then ladies, last but not least, I of course needed to add a pop of color in. So we got these beautiful scarves.
I haven't seen them. I can't wait. The scarves from Grizas are so well loved by you that we they literally fly out of the boutique, and it's, yeah, I can so understand why, because it's such a beautiful.
They're beautiful. So, and here are the colors that we got. So we've got the Nova Blue in this beautiful organic crunch silk. How beautiful is that? Yeah, it's silk. I think it's silk. 100% silk, Lousje. You feel it. It is so wonderful.
Yeah,
oh.
it's got such a solid.
It's
feel
got
to
a
it.
solid, yeah,
You
it
know,
definitely
that
has.
kind of threw me.
All right,
Okay.
and one more color, ladies. We cannot go wrong without chartreuse. How beautiful is that?
Oh,
Look at the
Tessa,
vibrant
Tessa.
color of that.
Yeah, so I'm sure you picked one already to style tomorrow.
Tomorrow, well, I thought I'd do the jumper.
Yeah, but what color scarf?
Well, I feel like, well, you could put either with either, but
Yeah.
we can try both.
Yeah, but you always pick what you are always first.
Well, I just thought, like, when I curated the line, ladies, I thought the chartreuse would go over the truffle and the blue would go over the blue.
Okay.
But I think Lousje wants the chartreuse, ladies.
It's
so
fine.
we'll see.
It's fine.
We'll see what happens.
Love, love, love. Okay.
All right, awesome. So watch out tomorrow. We're going to style these beauties up, and watch us on the couch too on Thursday to hear a little bit more behind the brand and why we love it. Okay, ladies, hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and as always,
Keep on smiling.